When we had last left our heroes, they had just completed their quest, narrowly avoiding death. However, in this new adventure, our heroes may not be so lucky. For those who accomplish greatness, face adversity.
I told you to stop stacking my dice.
They're just dice.
They were carved from the bones of my forefathers.
Just dice.
Alright guys, can we please focus? You find yourself in a townhouse in a surprisingly affordable neighborhood. There you will receive your quest. You've all made your character, so let's go around the table as a refresher.
Chet Adams,
the stockbroker.
Jess O'Neill, bartender.
Jake Ryan, nurse. Brad Chensington, magazine publisher. Brian Montgomery, all things construction.
A quest.
What, say it?
We must bring vital supplies to a fair maiden. Hello, can I get a number 5?
There is a deep magic in this place.
Yes, I can sense it.
Our heroes were triumphant in obtaining the vital supplies. But alas, danger has fallen upon them. Your trusty transport emits a concerning sound.
Ooh. Maybe we are out of gas.
A castle guard appears!
What are you all doing in this parking lot? You know your tags are expired.
Well...
Fireball! Excuse me, why isn't my fireball spell working?
This is the fantasy world. You can't use magic.
Alright, I'm gonna use my WD-40.
Oh, nice.
Right?
Whoa, all right, hey, come on, I got this.
Hello, sir. Brad Chenson, magazine editor, 48 Hour News. Perhaps you've heard of me. I'm KBD.
KBD?
Kind of a big deal. Listen, we have somewhere to be. Do you mind, letting this slide?
Alright. Fine. He just throws Brian in the dungeon. A sound plays from your sending stone. A new message is received. Hearken! The maiden has laid out an ultimatum. Either you arrive in the next 10 minutes, or you will not receive a tip.
Zooks! All these dwellings look the same.
Yeah, look from up to over there.
Oh, but you're all so disoriented by the cookie-cutter suburban housing. You never noticed the looming threat.
Oh, that is just terrific.
Hi, yeah, can I help you? You don't look like you're from here, so just so you know, all of this is being recorded and will be posted to my Facebook page as soon as you're done here.
I'm gonna roll for a helmet. Sound good?
Yeah.
Alright, fingers crossed.
I'm going in.
Brian Montgomery!
Could you, like, do something for once?
Of course we belong here. Did I tell you about my house in the Hamptons?
A house in the Hamptons?
And if you're impressed by his house in the Hamptons, look at these pictures of my cutie patootie dog.
Oh.
And I have an elixir no beast can resist.
You know what they say. It's 1 o'clock somewhere. Cheers.
With this, the beast has been subdued. They are now willing to give information.
Oh, okay. You're looking for the fair maiden. She's right over that way.
Okay, so same time next month?
There once was a boy from a street called Pine. He stood very tall, round 6'9". Handy with a spell, and dandy with a dance. And his little dog, he could make prance. The boy from Pine, so big and tall. The boy from Pine could do it all.
I'm doing well. Thank you.
All the fair maidens, they would gather round to see the boy from Pine do his steps on the ground. The ladies would scream, the ladies would blush. The boy from Pine would tell them, hush. The boy from Pine, the boy from Pine, dancing, singing all the time. The boy from Pine, the boy from Pine.
I gave you water right here.
What will he do with his very short time?
More from time.